You can see all your Microsoft Teams on the Protection tab. You can select all or only some of them to assign protection or trigger an on-demand instant backup. Use Search to filter them or find the team you need to restore. Click the Recover button to view the team's data. Most team files are stored on the SharePoint attached to the team. AFI enables you to back up and recover team files, wiki pages, lists, OneNote notebooks, and other data. You can download the items offline or recover them back to your Microsoft 365 account. You can restore to the same team SharePoint, another SharePoint site, or a user's OneDrive. Open the Team Channels tab to preview and download the channel posts. AFI backs up public as well as private channel messages. You can download the message data as a structured HTML file. AFI supports Teambots and adaptive cards and preserves their formatting. Due to limitations of the current Microsoft API version, team messages cannot be restored back to the Teams app. Team files and channel attachments are stored in the Channel folder on the Teams SharePoint site. Open the Documents document library and select the channel you want to recover. There you will see the channel files. Files and web pages that belong to a private team channel are not stored on the same SharePoint site. Microsoft creates a separate SharePoint site for every private channel. Use the private channel name to find its SharePoint site and recover the data. Similarly to the public channels, you can recover files, lists, notebooks, and other data that is exchanged in private channels. Unlike team channels, team user chats and their attachments are stored in individual user accounts. AFI lets you leverage the Azure Active Directory structure to find all team members for a selected team. To recover user chats, select a user and click Recover. Go to the user OneDrive and open the Teams Chat Files folder to preview team message attachments. If you need to preview or recover chats, go to the Chats tab. There you can see all team chats that the user participated in. You can export them offline as an HTML file. Due to the same Microsoft API limitations, currently there is no option to restore the messages back to the Microsoft Teams. We plan to enable the recovery of team messages back to Microsoft 365 as soon as Microsoft updates its API. If you delete a team from your domain, it will remain in AFI in the archive status. You can search, preview, and download the backup data for your archived teams. If you use other apps that are integrated with Teams, AFI will back up their data as long as it is stored on the team SharePoint sites. In addition to team messages, AFI also backs up the email messages sent to team shared mailboxes. AFI licensing is based on the number of active 365 users, and you don't need additional licenses to protect your teams. Thanks for watching. Feel free to start a trial. It only takes a few clicks to set up.